Hola. Hi, it's RJ. Welcome back to my mythos. It's very late in September. In fact, today is the 23rd of September, which is actually my birthday. So, happy birthday to me. My birthday present to myself was I went to America for a week right at the beginning of September and came back with COVID. So, I'm still suffering from that. So, unfortunately, I'm not going to be on camera this month. Also, Glossybox finally arrived. Woo! It's very, very late. It should arrive by the 15th of each month, and as previously mentioned, it's the 23rd. Apparently, they were waiting for something in here that hadn't turned up, so everyone's very delayed, and no doubt everyone's very annoyed. I wasn't actually going to even bother doing an unboxing this month, but they have put some extra things in. And it is quite a good box, so I thought I'd jump on and do just a quick, unedited, faceless thing this time. Oh, do you like my nails, by the way? Ta-da! Guess what it is? Guess what it is? It's Beetlejuice! We went to see the Beetlejuice musical while we were in America, and it was amazing. And I came home and bought quite a few of the Revolution X Beetlejuice collection that they've announced and revealed today for my birthday. Yay! Okay, anyway, here we go. Okay, so that's the cough. That's wonderful. So the theme this month is Golden Hour, which is Glossybox's excuse to give us a load of gold shit again. I've got the little thing up, so let's go through this one by one. Box is open, ribbon is off, here we go. Okay, so lots of shit in here today. Let's see, so the first thing in here is this one. So this is the Radiance Facial Oil by balanceme.com. Okay, we get 10 ml of it. This is a deluxe sample. Let's see what it says about this. Reignite a youthful glow. Blah 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 blah. Hydrate, illuminate, and target signs of aging. Nourishes and protects while delivering long-lasting moisture. Okay, cool. A luxurious fragrance of Rose Otto. I don't know what Rose Otto is, but this is a deluxe mini worth £15. Oh, it's a roll-on. Yeah, that feels like oil. That's alright, it's quite a dry oil. That rose scent isn't too strong. Yeah, I'll use that. I tend to find oils are quite nice around the nose, which is ironic because my nose is the oiliest part of my face. But yeah, that's cute. I'll use it. Boom, win. Next thing in here is the To Die For eyeshadow by Tease. I've never ever heard of this company, but cool, go off. This is Glow on the Go. It is a gold eyeshadow. It's a gold single, worth £12.50. Who is paying £12.50 for a single eyeshadow? Even from like a really well-known brand, like Lethal Cosmetics, right? Their single eyeshadows are about a tenner, which is a little bit expensive, but they're an indie company. Their single multi-chromes are £16, which is understandable because it's a multi-chrome. This is a generic gold eyeshadow that you get in every single like palette that you buy ever. How are they charging £12.50? This better be bloody amazing. Let's try it. Oh, it's got a bit of a... It is at least got pigment. Let's see. There's the hand swatch. You know what? I'm probably going to use that more as a highlighter than an eyeshadow. It is nice, but... Oh, actually, it's an inner corner highlight. That would be really nice. But again, it's a colour that's in every single eyeshadow palette you buy these days. So why do you need a single one? Yeah, that's going to be a highlighter for me. Let's see what it says. La 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 la. To Die For eyeshadow is vegan. Go on the glow powder with a natural coverage that leaves the right dose of sculptural glow on your skin. Okay. Oh, this does actually say use as an eyeshadow or as a highlighter, as the composition is perfect for both. Okay, so I'm going to take this out of this little box, put it into one of my magnetic palettes, and use it as a highlighter. Boom. Cool. Highlighter. Win. Excellent. I'm actually not upset about that. I do think it's a ridiculous price for a single eyeshadow, but it is a nice single eyeshadow. So we'll see. I'll use it as a highlighter at some point. And no doubt put it on my Instagram. What is next? Okay, ooh, lucky dip. Which one will you receive? So we could have got Grand Lash MD, which is a eyelash serum. Or we could have got brow soap. Cool. Oh, okay. We could have got, okay, right, yeah. So we could have got that, or we could have got some brow soap. This is where I get very confused, because I got the Grand Lash MD eyelash serum, which I'm really happy about. I currently use the e.l.f. one, and the e.l.f. one's really good. So this one is a Grand Lash MD. It's an award-winning eyelash serum. Ooh, nice. Okay. It's a deluxe mini, 0.7ml, worth £21. £21? Oof, that's insanity. Full size would be 62, which, okay, actually, to be fair, from what I've heard about these serums, not actually heard of this brand, but a lot of them are quite expensive, so that sounds right. But I did also get the Brow Atelier, the Brow Atelier, shrug, Defy Brow Styling Brow Soap, which is confusing me, because this seems to be a lucky dip. Which one will you receive? Which one of one? So what's this? Receive either the powders or the oh, okay, so there was 2 chances to receive this, and I got it. So we could have received this or a couple of Belpierre setting powders. So banana loose setting powder or a pressed setting powder. Which actually I would have preferred, because I would get use out of setting powder. Although banana setting powders tend to be a bit yellow toned, and I'm very much pink toned, so actually that probably wouldn't have been that good. Unfortunately, this is useless for me because I have barely any eyebrow. I've heard that brow soaps are brilliant for people who have quite a lot of eyebrow. This one claims to volumise, sculpt and shape the brow, leaving a fuller and lush look. Go from a bushy boyish brow to a thick model brow. Oh, and it's a full size worth £16.84. So it's probably a really good product, but unfortunately I am unlikely to get much use out of it because I have about 3 hairs in either eyebrow. Oh well, we'll see. My sister and my mother, and my older sibling actually all have dark hair, so they might fancy giving this a try. So we'll see, but yeah, for me it's a bit can't use. Oh dear, pardon me. That was gross, wasn't it? Okay, and the final product. So this is the one that they were boasting about as they revealed last month. Which products will you receive from the Ritual of Mare collection? Okay, so we could have got a shampoo, a body mousse to oil, a body cream, or an energizing foaming shower gel. I would have been happy with the shower gel or the shampoo. I got, boom, the mousse to body oil. Okay. I mean, this is fine. I don't really use body oils or body moisturizers or body creams that I like at all, because the skin below my chin is actually alright, so I don't really need them. But these I've been told this can be quite nice after shaving. So I'll possibly try it out there. Oop, I'm clicking. Pinging, sorry. Yeah, it's a body oil. Let's see what it says it does. It's perfect way to lock in moisture and fragrance after a shower. Magically transforms into a delicate, nourishing, oily layer for optimal hydration. Containing energizing sweet orange, rich oils, and smoothing cheddar wood. It will leave the skin feeling silky, soft, and flagrant. Blah blah blah. It's a deluxe 30ml mini worth £3.50. Okay. I can't really smell anything, so I don't know why I'm trying to smell it. Fine, cool, yeah. I thought that Glossybox tended to put these things in based on your profiles that you set up with them. I definitely say that I am an oily person, not a dry skin person, and this seems to be for people with drier skin. So I don't know why they didn't give me one of the other things, to be entirely honest, but it's fine, it's cool, they're all worth about the same price. So yeah, I'll use it. It's tiny, it's cute as well, and I know this stuff smells really nice. I've had Ritual of Mare stuff before, so I do know this smells nice when I actually have a sense of smell. So those are my 5 things for the month, but then they've clearly felt bad because there's a lot of samples in here. So there is an official free sample, which is the Glow Wish by Huda Beauty. I can't say that. Huda Booty. Sorry, I can only apologise. The Glow Wish sample. So this is it's a skin tint, so like a tinted moisturiser, and they give you 3 different samples, trying to cover all skin types, which is quite, pretty good of them. They didn't just assume. I will, of course, only probably be able to use the Fair Light, because I am very, very white. That does look quite a good colour for me, though. That looks like it'll... can't get to focus at all, but that does look like it'd be quite a nice colour. I might be able to use that as maybe a contour kind of colour. I doubt I'll be able to use the deep tan. So yeah, looks like it's enough for at least an application, maybe a couple of applications if you really, really, eke it out, but that's quite nice. It's a cute little sample. I'm probably never going to buy this because I have a foundation that I like a lot, and I think Huda Beauty stuff is quite expensive. Don't know how much the actual stuff is. Did it tell you? Oh yeah, it's usually 34 quid for a tube of it, so I'm not going to be buying that, but I'll use the sample. It's cute. What else have we got in here? Okay, so the magazine just goes on to its usual rest of the month gumph. So I'll just turn that off for now. What else is in here? There are actually another couple of things that they've included in here, which is cute. So they've given us an extra biodegradable mask. It's Garnier Skin Lift Ultra Lift Eye Sheet Mask. I love these. These are the little patches that go around your eyes. I love them. I am always happy to receive these. So that's a cute little sorry we're late / happy birthday. So that's cute. And then the last thing in here is non-alcoholic G&T. Ooh, from Clean Co. So this is you'll struggle to tell the difference. So this is a little sample of tonic water, I believe, or non-alcoholic botanical spirit. Oh, so I'm guessing that means this is I'm guessing it's trying to be gin? Yeah, it's mixed with tonic, ice and lemon. So this is a non-alcoholic gin sample. Oh, it looks like we could have got a rum alternative. I really like rum. That would have been better for me. There's also like a £5 off voucher, so if you want to find out more and scan that, I'll accidentally hold this camera here for a little while. But yes, so I will have some non-alcoholic gin along with playing with all my face stuff and doing my face masks. So yeah, that is Squeak getting in the way. That is everything that was in Squeak. She's been fed. I don't know what she's fussing for. But yes, that is everything that is in Glossybox this month. Not a terrible month. Very skincare heavy. I've had actually no very makeup heavy this time because we've got the soap, we've got the eyeshadow, and we've got the lash serum, and then we've got the oils and the face masks. And we got the. Oh god, my brain has died. This is what's happening. I'm not testing positive for COVID anymore, but oh my god, am I tired. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video with a lovely shot of Squeaky. Meow. And I'm gonna go and eat birthday cake. Yay! Okay, see you next month. Bye.